It's time to get going, properly get going.
We're trying to think about how we can make the videos a bit more interesting. It might not work.
It's never going to be perfect, so how imperfect am I willing to have it?
That comes across like human, a massive step up from where the comments were going before.
I've got the biggest task ahead of me. This could be an opportunity. I'm really buzzing today. I've got a bit of a lease of life in me. Yes, they've connected their accounts. You legend, whoever you are. I'm not leaving the office until it's done. After my reflection yesterday, we ain't doing that badly. Maybe I need to be a little bit less down on myself. I'm just going to band down this week and just focus. I think we need a partnerships manager. I can't do everything all the time. There's so much opportunity within the agency network. We need someone just beavering away. We'll have some ideas this week if that's a plausible plan, and then we need to get this sprint ready because sprint 2 is going to be live next Friday, which is absolutely massive for us. So it's time to get going, properly get going. If you're a business owner, you know who I'm calling. And when you see a brown envelope, it's never good. HMRC are just an absolute disgrace. So it says that I owe my 2004 tax bill. Just for reference, I don't know it. Why can't HMRC clearly see that my name is my name and that the payment has come from is the same payment that's owed? Is it that difficult? I've been on hold for 7 minutes. I'm probably going to be on hold for over an hour. What a waste of time for everybody involved.
Thanks for waiting. One of our advisors will be with you as soon as possible.
They won't be. They'll be when they fancy it. I'm trying to nail our prompt, the configuration behind Rupert. I've been doing this for about 2 weeks. Hours upon hours. You'd seen a previous episode where I sat there and did 1,000. Well, it's come on since then. Unfortunately, what I did that night, although it was great, it only got us a little bit where we needed to go. Now the developers have basically put my massive long prompt into the configuration, what it needs to go into the back end of Rupert. So there's some massive differences. Now I've had to change what I did originally to then suit the new configuration, which is there's no way around it. So I've been on it for most of today, all weekend, hours upon hours the last couple of weeks. What I'm doing is I'm putting in Facebook or Instagram post here and then below the comment. So at the moment I'm testing this with Mighton Hospice. A response will be pre-made when you first log into Rupert. I've got a spreadsheet here of all the comments and the ones in red are the ones that I weren't happy with originally. This one is now okay based on my new configuration. It's taking so much time. Is it going to be 100%? No, because nothing's ever 100%. Do I have to be at 100%, 99, even go down to 95 because some of it's subjective? I don't know, but they're really good. I'm just being really anal because I'm so invested. It's never going to be perfect, so how imperfect am I willing to have it? No, so what you need to do is you need to add in an organisation. Every client of yours will have its own organisation within your agency account. Should we go through the spreadsheet?
Hello there. James keeps telling me I need to do more videos about what I'm up to, so consider this your video about what I'm up to. I spoke to James a little bit earlier about the vlog, and we were talking a bit about maybe how we can change the vlog up a bit, spice the vlog up a bit, which is tricky because oftentimes James is doing the same sort of thing, calls with clients or following up on leads. A lot of the stuff isn't inherently that interesting, which is the reality of what we're doing. We're trying to show how it really is building Rupert. Some weeks it will just be boring, grinding out tasks, trying to get Rupert some more users. But yeah, we're trying to think about how we can make the videos a bit more interesting. For the next one, I'm going to try and edit in maybe a bit of a different way. We always reference Stavy Gets Ripped, which is a series on YouTube with Stavros the comedian, who has a podcast and he has like a weight loss series, but whoever edits his videos edits them in a very sort of engaging, fast, snappy way. So yeah, I'm maybe going to toy with something like that for the next episode, or at least more in that direction. My only concern is I don't want it to sort of lose the value that we're getting from the current episodes, because what I like is that you can sort of understand where Rupert's at as well as obviously enjoy the video. So I don't want to go too far down the sort of engagement path where it's like an entertaining video but you don't really know what's going on. So yeah, I'm trying to strike that balance. It's something we spoke about. So James said, let's have a go, see what it looks like. It might not work, but there's not that much James can do from a recording aspect aside from recording what is going on. So it's more what we can maybe do in the edit and just see what I come out with really. At the moment I am pulling the clips from the last episode of the vlog. So here is the vlog episode and here's all the clips that Opus has pulled out. It's pulled out 22 for this episode. So yeah, I kind of watched through these, maybe make some little adjustments. Once we've done that, we head over to Post Planner, which is another software that we use. And in this bucket here, you can see we've got all the Road to 1,000 clips in here, which are going out on TikTok and YouTube. So we've got 3 a day going out at the moment. We've shuffled them so they're all a mix of different points, just so it's not too linear. We're trying to get it so people get an idea of what's going on, hopefully come on and watch the main episode. So as you can see, we've got all of these here, we've got loads of them. And yeah, when these Opus clips are done and I'm happy with them, I'll upload them all into here and then they will get scheduled across our other channels.
Got a big update, and that is I had a look at staging last night. Rob and Rocco let slip that the sprint 1 work, which is sort of the biggest change within Rupert in this next print of work, is around not going down the route of negative, positive and neutral anymore. We're putting them into different buckets based on what the comment is. Is it a customer service inquiry? Is it a sales opportunity? They let slip that it was already on there. Rob then said, James, don't have a look. We don't want you finding bugs out because it's not been tested. So I'm like, okay, but obviously I'm going to. So I had a look, and I have to say, I'm so impressed with what the guys have done. It looks awesome. It's going to add so much more value. They're also going to be able to add in their URL of their website and also their URL of the FAQs on their website. So when the response is ready to go, it's going to be even closer to your brand and tone of voice. And also, Rupert will be able to put in URLs based on some of the questions you're doing. People asking certain questions around products, putting in install guides, you know, click here. It's going to save brands so much time. Really, really good. So I'm really buzzing today. I've got a bit of a lease of life in me because seeing that last night, I was like, come on, that's really cool. But although it's cool, as I keep saying all the time, it can be the coolest product in the world unless someone's going to buy it. So that's the comment from old Sean.
Perfect, mate. Yeah, that comes across like a human.
Yes, it
so
does.
That's class. So that's massive for us because that was the reason of not really using the comment section. It wasn't quite getting it to the tone of coming across looking and sounding how we wanted it really. But that comes across like something we'd have wrote today. It's exciting.
Like it?
Yeah, it's good, mate.
Yeah.
And I think we would actually start using this now. As I say, it's a massive step up from where the comments were going before. Just it feeling that human means that there's an actual reason for us to use it.
2 weeks ago, I said that I reckon I could get to James and Toffolo's party at their house.
We're throwing a party at our house in London, and 5 of you can come.
Pick me, pick me, pick me.
I've just asked someone for a favour, and they've come up trumps. Phase 1 of getting me to that entrepreneur party thingy that they're doing is in operation. Surely I can't. Just came off with the agency that looks after Krispy Kreme, and I think they're going to use it. Not anything, just that. Come on. So I might jump on a call with Jenny at Sunshine Agency, who was a referral from the legend that is Mark Probert.
Cool, that looks really good. They're just saving so much time, isn't it? It's a really good price. I have to be honest, I thought it would be way more than that.
Hello, mate.
Hello, buddy. Okay.
Good.
Sorry, my daughter was off.
Outside.
Yeah, sorry. Obviously, originally we had the 9th.
Which I still think that's achievable because obviously it's bank holiday next week, so 4 days for you to test everything. I'm just testing this problem. I just want it to be right. If we get the 9th, great. In terms of maintenance time, what are you thinking? Just do it down for like half a day? I don't know until they tell me how long the script's going to run.
What I think we do, Rob, is I think we say that from 5 p.m. on a day till 11 a.m. on the next day, or 12 p.m. So we've just got a full 3 hours that next day.
So I remember you guys doing your intro, rolling out this big leaflet with all of James's comments. I heard a bit about it, but that was pretty much it from my side. Maybe it'll be good for you to just run me through it again, what you guys do, how you see this working with social tip, just so I can get a bit of a refresher. Really exciting, and this is a great product. I love it. I really liked seeing the pitch. Was also great when I saw you guys in the House of Unicorns. We'll give it a try. I mean, why not? We'll give it a try. But thank you. This is great.
Just had an email to say a new user's come on, but we're not doing new marketing at the moment, so it would have come organically. And it was a garden centre. And my question is, have they connected? Squirrels, Jessica McIntosh. Yes, they've connected their accounts. First time as well. Get in there. Jessica McIntosh, you legend, whoever you are. Basingstoke, so how has she heard of me?
It's become a pretty big deal.
Pinpoint Media are now using that bad boy for their comments across their pay media. Another one down. Just coming up to midnight. I'm testing loads and loads of comments because Rob and the guys need my final version ASAP. So that's how we roll, baby. It's time to go to the office. And today, I've got the biggest task ahead of me. Today, I'm going to finish the final prompt for Rupert version 2. So Tom and the lads really need it. I've promised them it will be today. I was testing what I've done. It's still not right, so I'm not leaving the office until it's done.
I'd also finished editing the vlog, so I got James to review it.
I look quite skinny. Well, it's the Osmo. Yeah, it's the Osmo's.
Distractions aside, he liked it.
Just come off with the CTO / investor. He wants to get involved, not so much in an investment capacity, but more of I think I can really help grow Rupert, not only from a tech perspective and help him to be my technical project manager between myself and the team at Pragmatic, but also from his network and also investors. This could be an opportunity. It is a Friday afternoon, but I am on my way to the Pennine Barrier race. I'm not going to give my review of the week just yet because it's not finished. But as a pre-review, really, really excited. We're getting there very slowly. The fact that people like Milwaukee, Krispy Kreme, Boots, people of that ilk are giving us really good feedback is amazing. But something I want to stress here is that logos are great. But logos don't really build businesses. Although, look, it's great to have those ambitions. I've worked with a lot of household names in my time. They're great, and I'm not being negative. I would rather have 100 smaller businesses that no one knows of us, apart from their audience, opposed to one logo. Revenue builds businesses and brands. Logos do not. It's great, these household names are giving us, approval, like Brewdog and people of that ilk. But the reality is, we need volume. Just because you win a big household name that everyone knows that it's going to change your fortunes overnight, it doesn't. This is where I'm going to be running my ultra tomorrow. How cool is this? How big is it? The worst thing is, that's just a little one in comparison to tomorrow.